Good afternoon. We thought we'd give you the after version of the Backsplash and kitchen so you can see everything, how it laid out. Basically the tile goes down to the counter, but there's always a little gap. We want to keep 1/8 of an inch off of the counter for expansion and contraction, and so we have a little, maybe you can just see this right here, this little shoe molding just stick right on top of it and kind of covered that up. But walls aren't perfectly straight. I'm sure there's some other gaps here and there, but all in all, it looks pretty good to us, and hopefully everybody else thinks it looks great too. But yeah, we're pretty happy with the Backsplash. Everything's back in place.
What was the hardest part?
Drilling those stinking holes for the Backsplash for that shelf right there. It took me 4 tiles. The first 3 holes were great. So the right side bracket there that go back to the shelf there. The right side bracket, so this bracket right here was just fine. But when I got to this tile and had to cut those 3, my drill bit wasn't near as sharp, and I broke 3 tiles in the process. And it wouldn't be bad if it was the first hole, but it generally was the second or third hole when it actually would snap the tile. So I started at 8 o'clock, and then finished getting those 3 holes drilled at 11:30. So it was a nightmare. It took a long, slow haul to get those drilled and not busting tiles. So there you go. But it's all in.
Okay, looking good.